Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. For part A, use a loop that runs num parts times on each iteration called generator.nextPartType1s to get the next part from the production line. Return string is base. Increment bases avail, otherwise increment wheels avail, since the method returns only base or wheel. A correct implementation could look like this. Public void update inventory int num parts. 0, I less than num parts I plus, string part equals generator.nextPartType. If part.equals base, bases avail, else wheels avail. For part B, first find the positions of star and Gen Z fast high pitch. The model name is the substring between those two delimiters. The wheel description is the substring after $, which will be either 2 or 4. Convert that string into... Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.